Do you want to become healthier? Here's a question that might have crossed your mind more often than you'd care to admit. But where to start, you ask? Fear not, for today we delve into 5 simple steps that can set you on the path to a healthier you. First and foremost, prioritize hydration. Water is the lifeblood of your body, responsible for transporting nutrients, regulating body temperature, and maintaining other vital functions. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Remember, your body is 60% water, so it's essential to keep the tank full. Secondly, incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. And no, this doesn't mean you need to become a gym rat overnight. A brisk 20-minute walk, a quick yoga session in the morning, or even a few minutes of stretching during your work break can do wonders. Regular physical activity not only helps control your weight, but also reduces the risk of heart disease and strengthens your bones and muscles. Thirdly, make mindful eating a habit. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Chew your food thoroughly, savor each bite, and avoid distractions while eating. This practice not only helps in better digestion, but also makes you more aware of your hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating. The 4th step is to ensure a good night's sleep. Believe it or not, sleep plays a pivotal role in your overall health. It helps your brain work properly and is essential for your heart and blood vessels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Remember, quality sleep is just as important as quantity. The 5th and final step is to manage stress effectively. Whether it's through meditation, reading a book, or simply spending time with loved ones, find a way to unwind and relax. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your physical and mental health, so it's crucial to have stress management strategies in place. So there you have it, 5 simple steps to a healthier you. Hydrate, move, eat mindfully, sleep well, and manage stress. Each step is a cornerstone to a healthier life. Start with one, then slowly incorporate the others. Remember, the journey to health is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal is to make small, sustainable changes that will last a lifetime. So why wait? Kickstart your journey to a healthier life today. Because the only thing standing between you and a healthier you is you. And remember, health is not a destination, but a way of life. Be part of our healthy living community and don't miss out on any of our tips and advice. Show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Make sure to also tap on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. For additional health and wellness tips, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Let's continue this journey to better health together.